In this quick tutorials I'm going to show you how to reset Photoshop Workspace to default settings 2025. Open the Photoshop and open New Image. Around the canvas size, everything is a workspace. And if you want to reset workspace, then go to the window menu and click on the workspace to reset essentials. Now, we reset workspace. Then if you want to add any icon in the workspace, again, then go to the window menu and click on the character and drag and drop the icon. Also, if you want save workspace, then go to the window menu and click on the workspace to new workspace and rename the graphics design. And see the new workspace graphics design. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.